Do you remember me? I sat upon your knee. I wrote to you with childhood fantasies. I'm all grown up now and still need help somehow. I'm not a child, but my heart still can dream. So here's my lifelong wish, my grown-up Christmas list. Not for myself, but for a world in need. No more lives torn apart. The wars would never start, and time would heal all hearts. And everyone would have a friend, and right would always win, and love would never end. This is my grown-up Christmas list. As children we believe, but then decide to see there's something lovely wrapped beneath the tree. But heaven only knows that packages and bows can never heal a hurting human soul. No more lives torn apart. Their wars will never start, and time will heal our hearts. And everyone would have a friend, and right would always win. Love would never end. This is my grown-up Christmas list. What is this illusion called? The innocence of youth. Maybe only in a blind belief can we ever find the truth. No more lives torn apart. The wars would never